All right, it is time for some Thursday birthdays in the 4 states, and we're going to begin with Calvin Tubaugh celebrating birthday number 1. A very happy birthday to you, Calvin.
And And next we have Maggie McCready from Chanute, Kansas. Happy birthday! Look at her little cheeks.
It's very, very adorable there. We've also got Landry Blackledge turning 7 in Joplin. A very happy birthday to you.
And then next we have Abel Jackson turning 8 from Pittsburgh, Kansas. His pirate hat.
And we've got Adeline Bruner celebrating number 10 in Lockwood. Happy birthday, Adeline.
Next we have Sydney Moore turning the big 16 from Crestline. Lots of love from all of her family.
And over in Carthage, we've got Kylie Buck celebrating birthday number 17. Happy birthday, Kylie.
And another big one turning 18, Jeremiah Martinez from Chanute. Happy birthday, Jeremiah.
And over in Frontenac, we've got Dawson Mirando celebrating birthday number 23. Happy birthday, Dawson.
Next we have Jeff Volts turning 36, formerly from Galesburg, Kansas, now in Manhattan, Kansas, with love from your family.
And Kevin Combs over in Columbus celebrating a birthday today. Happy birthday, Kevin.
Next we have Sandra Saea. I probably mispronounced that, I apologize. Sandra Saea turning 58 from Columbus, Kansas. Happy birthday from your entire family.
And we've got Tony Daniels over in Cherryvale celebrating number 58 as well. Happy birthday to you, Tony.
Next we have anniversary, John and Kenna Hudo from Crestline celebrating the 38th anniversary.
All right, and our list continues with Heather Schuberger celebrating a birthday in Columbus today. Happy birthday, Heather.
Next we have Travis DeGonia turning 42 from Crestline. There's a lot of Crestlines today.
All of our neighbors down to the south are celebrating.
Yeah.
We should just celebrate with them. Why not?
Yeah.
Make a big birthday party in Crestline. We also have Mike and Julie Rebel celebrating their 32nd wedding anniversary in Iola. Happy anniversary to the Rebels.
And then the last birthday, but not the least, Mindy Profit turning 39 from Pittsburgh, Kansas.
All right, we want to wish a very happy birthday and anniversary to all of those on our list. We want to continue to celebrate with you, Carrie. If they want to continue to celebrate with us, what do they need to do?
They need to submit their birthdays to birthdays with S at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website, take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It's a really cool thing. You get special deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So make sure you take time to sign up for that birthday club today.